seats. And these are the names that have been announced on their social media handle. Babul Supriyo, Rajiv Kumar, who has been the former DGP of West Bengal, senior lawyer Binaka Guruswamy, and Koel Malik. Now, Babul Supriyo, who is currently serving as the Tourism Minister of West Bengal. Rajiv Kumar was the IAS officer of 1988 batch. He served as the DGP of West Bengal and has been retired from service on 31st of January. Then there is Binaka Guruswamy, who is a senior advocate who appeared on behalf of Mamata Banerjee in Kolkata High Court, or Calcutta High Court rather, during the hearing of the IPAC case. Then we have Koel Malik, who is a popular Bengali actor and a daughter of a veteran actor, Ranjit Malik, who is also known to be close to Mamata Banerjee. Ridhita is with us right now because, Ridhita, right from West Bengal, we are looking at these seats that are now falling vacant, and 4 of them that were held by the TMC. And given the current arithmetic, especially in the assembly, the outcome appears to be largely predetermined.
Well, absolutely. Last night, TMC announced the 4 candidates list who are now going to represent the party in the Rajya Sabha, and it is Babul Supriyo, who is the tourism minister at this point, and he was also associated earlier with BJP, and now after his shift, he was given the position of tourism minister, and this he is given the ticket for Rajya Sabha. Also, Rajiv Kumar holds a very important history in the history of West Bengal, with the way Mamata Banerjee earlier had gone ahead to save him during the scam. And Mamata Banerjee, if you remember, she had actually sat on a dharna to save Rajiv Kumar. He is the IPS officer of the 1988 batch, and he was also one of the DGP of West Bengal. And on 31st of January, he retired. And this year now, after all the conspiracies and the talks that has been going around that he may or may not get the seat, he has got the seat. And this also Binaka Guruswamy. She is one of the senior advocates, and during the IPAC versus CDK Mamata case, we had seen her appearing at the Kolkata High Court, and she is one of those lawyers who had taken over the CBI lawyer in the court of in the Calcutta High Court under in S.V. Verma's judgmentship. And after that, we also see Koel Malik. Her family does not come from a political background. She is completely from an acting background. Her father even being associated closely with the Mamata Banerjee, but had never joined politics. But now we see her daughter joining politics, and earlier this year we had seen Abhishek Banerjee also visiting their household and meeting both the parents of Koel Malik. So these are the 4 candidates who have now got their seats in the Rajya Sabha. Today we are also awaited for more on this, especially after the electoral roll name comes out. We are supposed to understand with the more names that TMC may launch and also state on the tickets that might be now given to others. So all eyes are on today on how the conspiracies will be leading and what names are more to come up for today's
seems to be now in the opposition questioning the name list that has been announced by the TMC. Ridhita, thank you for that update, because BJP now raising questions on the list by the TMC, which the BJP states that 50% of Trinamool nominees for Rajya Sabha are non-Bengalis. And they are questioning Mamata Banerjee that she couldn't find enough Bengalis or state representatives to be nominated, or is she obliging those with her dirty secrets and are willing accomplices in a crime and corruption syndicate? This is a question that is now being raised on part of the BJP, saying that loyalists are now being rewarded.
देखिए, तृणमूल कांग्रेस किसको भेजेगी राज्यसभा में वो तो उनकी पार्टी का विषय है, लेकिन पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता को तो नहीं भेज रहे हैं, ज्यादातर लोगों को बाहर से भेज रहे हैं। और राजीव कुमार को भेजना यह दर्शाता है कि शारदा कांड के इंक्वायरी के समय राजीव कुमार ने जो भूमिका निभाई थी, इसका पुरस्कार आज राजीव कुमार को मिल रहा है।
Now, reaction also coming in from the Congress's side, who have been questioning this list as far as the names that have now been released for the nominees for the Rajya Sabha.
It's very unfortunate the ex-DGP of Bengal Police is now a member of parliament, a member of Rajya Sabha from West Bengal representing Trinamool Congress. He was one of the persons, administrative personalities who should have delivered justice to the people of Bengal, but what he did, he gave justice only to Mamata Banerjee and her regime.
Let's shift focus to our breaking update, and this is a concerning one. What we are learning from